All right, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Why was the online meeting so short? Because it was held on a Zoom call. Ha ha ha. Zoom call because it's quick. Anyways, today we are talking about finding the scale. So we're still talking about maps and we're still talking about a map scale. But this time you'll just kind of have some information and you're going to have to find what the scale is. So it's very, very simple, very similar to simplifying ratios. Okay, so if you've got your fancy calculator, use that and you can use your division or your fraction. That will work. That's probably the best way to do this. Now, make sure that you always use reasonable units. So sometimes if I'm measuring, let's say, for example, my height, I'm not going to use kilometers or millimeters. I'll probably use centimeters or meters. If I'm calculating the distance between my home and school, I would definitely not use millimeters. I'd probably use kilometers. So stuff like that, I want you guys to make sure you've got a general idea of which is the best unit to use. Now, a couple of things here. You've got some unit measurement conversions. Pause the video here, see if you remember them. Now, in terms of this, 1 centimeter is worth 10 millimeters. 1 meter is worth 100 centimeters. And 1 kilometer is worth actually 1,000 meters. Okay, a couple other things. So say, for example, if 3 centimeters on a map is worth 27 centimeters in the real world, it simply means that your scale is, I'm just going to simplify it. And the way we simplify is let's find a common factor. So between 3 and 27, I know the number 3 will go into both. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. And how many 3s will go into 27? Hoping that you picked up it was 9. Okay. Now, there's also this one here. For this one, I'm going to pretend that this is the right scale. And so you can see here with this scale, it's like one. I'm going to say that from here to here is 1 centimeter in the real world. And so you can see here that 1 centimeter is represented by 5 centimeters because the difference between 5 to 10, that's 5 centimeters. Okay. So that means the ratio is 1 to 5. And that's it. That would be your answer. Okay. So the picture itself is 1 centimeter, but the real distance is worth 5. That's why your ratio will be 1 to 5. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.